Hello, a very warm welcome to Dodger's Trips. I'm Dodger. I'm in the capital city of Goa, the state of Goa, Panjim city. We're just having a little wander around for no particular purpose. But anyway, I'm not going to get lunch there. Hello, doggy. Right, let's walk. Sandy's wearing this season's fashion in Goa for the fashionable beach wear, a £2 poncho. She's been well and truly looked after this afternoon by the lifeguard. Brought a chair, brought an umbrella. The Queen of Goa. Oh, there's a white lady here. Hello, how are you doing? Yeah.
I nearly died then.
You nearly died?
I nearly died
Again?
again. The sea nearly washed me away.
Tell me the story.
No, the sea nearly washed me away. I was sat on that step and it came right up.
The waves came up. I saw when that big one came up. Was that the one?
Nearly got me.
Oh, so I would have watched you.
Yeah, float away.
I'd have captured it on camera.
Yeah.
Your last wave.
Yeah.
Oh, your last wave on the wave.
On the wave.
Yeah. Oh, you have to pay £2. Lost his job now.